Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, yesterday we covered our entire gamma range and a little below, so awesome day there. We are down pretty good in the pre-market session to around, 577 mids there. So this worked as intended yesterday. We got below, we got a bullish cross, boom, price got and ripped up to the top. Did finish with the green DEX. That's 2 in a row. Starting to see some interesting bullish data, but let's see if it all remains. Speaking of that, here's where we started. We do have a slightly bullish customer sentiment now. Now, one bar does not make a trend. As we saw here, all these bars give us a nice trend down. So what we would like to see if we're going to start ripping upwards is more bars increasing as we go up, or we rip back down and we go into back into that short to pop. But right now we're getting pretty close to that long the drop mentality. Let's go figure out where our drops could be. Checking whale targets really quick. Not a whole lot going on. 583 to 579 tight range, which is what some gamma will say as well, I bet. So jumping into our dark pools, plain and simple, largest ag is 611.16. Remember, the further we get away from our largest aggregate, and if it remains very far from price, sooner or later we find our way back to it. Not going to worry about that right now. We'll see if it changes. If it does, it flips all the way down, then we do not sweat that huge bar up there. But for now, if we decide to have a ripper for a few days and get some nice price recovery, that's where we will be looking. Jumping into our gamma, this is our daily look. Whoops, have that one pulled up first already. But let's go ahead and say we are right around this area, this 578 to 575. Ideally on our daily, we do not get stuck in here and chop all day. There's really nothing going on. It's going to be difficult to break 575, going to be difficult to break 570, 573. Positive gamma clusters abound. A little bit less towards the upside, but only if we're above 580. And if we are, then we have room up to 590, no sweat. But biggest pull is 574. Let's inverse it today. We'll check the ag next, which is cleaner for sure, but we still need to get through that positive gamma cluster on our daily. Ag's pretty simple. We're right around this range right here. If we end up trading 575 to 580, that's a little bit bigger of a range. I'm not upset. So hold 575, definitely room to 580. If we pass all of that, we've got room all the way up to our biggest pull at 590. Lose 575, back down to 571. It's pretty simple. We're not going to worry all the way about up into this area here, this 610, or down here at this 540 at the moment. We'll see how it all pans out. So simple look. 575 up to 580, break that. We've got room to 590, lose 575, down to 571. That's all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.